Hello and welcome to Nation Innovation. So today we are going to discuss one more example, or you can say numerical problem related to network analysis, and it is related to transient analysis. So what you will gain from this video is the approach to solve the questions. So patiently just look at the question and how to solve it. Let me draw the circuit for you. We have this 10 ohm resistor, then we have the switch that is opened at t equals to 0. Here we have a capacitor of 2.5 microfarad and a voltage across it as Vc. We also call this voltage as V naught. Then we have a resistance of 5 ohm in parallel, a 12 ohm resistance in series, and then a 2 ampere current source. These all are connected to a 25 volt voltage source, right? And what we have to find is we have to look for the voltage across the capacitor that is given by V naught. So let us see how we are going to approach it. So since this is a transient problem, so firstly, the first step is to look for the circuit when the switch is triggered. So in this case, we have for t is less than 0, the switch is opened, right? For t is less than 0, that means the switch is opened for long time. That means the circuit is in steady state. So let me draw the circuit for you for t is less than 0. So we have this 10 ohm resistance. Then this circuit is open, right? The circuit is open for t is less than 0. So it will be open circuited. And so for t is less than 0, the capacitor is also open circuited, right? So let's say it is open circuited. We have Vc P0 minus. This will be 5 ohm. This will be 12 ohm and 2 ampere current. So now since this is open circuit, so this 2 ampere will flow here also, right? And here we have separated, since this is open circuit, so this 25 volt and 10 ohm resistance, they are separated. So if we calculate what will be Vp at 0 minus, it will be equals to the voltage across in parallel, that is 5 into 2, that is 10 volt, right? Now for what happens is when P is greater than 0. In that case, the switch is closed and instantaneous voltage across capacitor that cannot be changed at a instant. So that is Vc 0 minus, which we just solved, that will be equals to Vc 0 plus also. Now let me draw the circuit for t is greater than 0. So we have this 10 ohm resistance, then we have this Vc, this is Vct, this is the current Yc. We have this Vc, this is as V naught across 5 ohm. We have 12 ohm resistance here, or 2 ampere current here. All these are connected across 25 volt. Let us suppose this point is at Vc, right? If we apply the KVL equations here, so Vc minus 25 this side VC minus 25 by 10, this current plus IC, this current plus VC by 5 ohm, right? And minus 2. So this coming current and all outgoing currents we have written there, this will be 0. And we have simply, let's say, a current across capacitor, that is IC equals to C dV by dt. So the capacitor here, the value of capacitor and the voltage here. From this, we can get what is dVc by dt, then convert it into Laplace transform to get VCS. From again, convert it into time Laplace, time domain, we will get VC in time domain. And from there, we will get it something like that VCT is equals to 5 into 3 minus e to the power of minus 1.2 into 10 to the power 5t, something like this. So this is what you have to solve. So the approach is, if you are given with a circuit with RLC components and some voltage source and a switch. So you have to solve it for t is less than 0 and t is greater than 0 when the switch is turned on and off. And from there you have to solve the KCL KVL equations for whatever voltage, whatever capacitor or inductor, whatever it is given. Then use Laplace transform. Convert it into Laplace transform to get it easy from solving, and again from Laplace transform get into time domain and get the answer. So thank you all. Keep updated for more such videos. Thank you.